Hey guys, this is Patrick Hall with Fstoppers.com. Yes, my hair is a mess. My beard is pretty unruly. And this might be the most obnoxious shirt I've ever worn on video. But really, I'm here today to tell you about one of the best video education series that's being released today. Now, if you've never heard of 5-Day Deal, they basically bundle a bunch of great tutorial products together once a year, and they offer it at an incredible discount so that you can get the most education without breaking the bank. Now, for this bundle, Lee, David, and I sat down to produce the Importance of B-Roll, which is an exclusive tutorial only for this 5-Day Deal. In this tutorial, we sit down for 1 hour and discuss everything that we do on a daily basis to produce our videos, both on Fstoppers and on our YouTube channel. Now, if you're a photographer or if you're just getting into videography, you're definitely gonna wanna check this out because they've packaged really everything that you need to get started in videography with 22 unique products. Now, I do want to make clear that there are 3 different purchasing packages, and if you want to get the Importance of B-Roll, make sure you pay the additional $19 so that you can get the charity bonus add-on. The reason I'm excited to be part of this deal is that not only do you guys get some incredible education for a fraction of the retail price, but 10% of every purchase goes to some incredible charity organizations to help people that are really in need. So if you want more information on this 5-Day Deal bundle, or if you want to see all the products that are included, head to the link in the description below and make sure you act fast because, as always, this deal is only available for 5 days.